So today me and Tina's come to the Fisherman's Village in Pratumnak Hill. That's between Jomtien and Pattaya, up on the hill there. I got to make these clips a bit short because of the copyrighted music, but I'll have a walk around and I'll put the camera up high, as you don't want to see my face through the whole video, and you can move the camera around where you want then on your screen or your phone. This is a steak restaurant here, quite pricey. I actually got the idea to this place from a guy who's got a couple of bars in Pattaya, and he's got a YouTube channel, Nick. I think it's NDTVI or something, his channel. I'll put a link in the description below so you can have a look at his channel, which is very good. And I think this place is relatively new, but I'm not sure how new. I think somebody spent a lot of money here, but they've done a really good job. You could probably spend a day here having some food and drinks. I'll try and walk the whole thing. Little ice cream shop here. But somebody's put a lot of thought into this. There's a waterfall around the corner. We've got these house things on the right hand side. I don't know if they're for show or restaurants or something, but I can't see nothing inside. But I'll walk further down in a sec so you can see the lower level. And this is it, the Fisherman's Village. I'll try and find out how long this has been here. If it wasn't for the other person doing a video, I probably would have never have found it. Wow. They've done it really well, and I think it's Tuesday today. It's Tuesday the 30th of September today, and there's not that many people here, so I probably wouldn't come here on a Saturday or Sunday, but in the week you can walk around uninterrupted. And there's a simulated lighthouse. I think I'm going to go up this. It's like an imitation lighthouse. So I'm going to wander up, see how far I can go. For us, it's only 10 minutes ride on a scooter from Jomtien, where we live. Hello. Right, Kevin and Pook from the Isan Farang Facebook group is up ahead of me. Well, Pook's not, Kevin is. So I want to get right to the top, see what the view's like. No charge to get in here. There's a car park round the back. It's extremely hot in here. Yeah. And that's it. What's to the top? Oh.
See that? All solar panels covering the...
Looks like a solar farm.
Yeah, covering the parking area.
That's the car park.
Gives them pretty much all the electricity they need here.
Let me walk around the other side, Kev.
Go on in.
I don't know how long this place has been open, but I think it's relatively new. I did watch a video, and that restaurant down there with a bull outside. Very, very expensive if you have a steak. Wow. But I'll walk around the rest of it shortly. Have a look round. I might put this out as a 360 video.
Just saying, just above those trees up there, Dave, I don't know if you can see it. See the roof of the temple?
Yeah, yeah.
That's that one up by the viewpoint.
Yep, that's the one.
So, look at these parking areas for the cars. You've got the shade here, the canopy stores, and it's all covered with solar. Makes so much sense.
There's Kevin doing his video for
Tina down there.
his channel. Teen! You are Kev. You are Kev.
Yeah.
Get a bit of both of us.
Oh, okay. That's crazy. You can hold it at any angle. And it's just picking
Yep.
it up.
Car park in the back. Let's take a walk down here. But the nice thing about being in Thailand, places like this, you don't have to pay to come in. You don't have to pay for car parks or anything. Probably they'd be happier if you do buy something. Hiya, teen. Probably happier if you do buy some drinks or some food. You're getting all this for free. And it's roasting today. Wow, check that out. Oh, I get wet by here. I expect this is all part of what's going to be for the restaurants, because it does say seafood restaurants. You can see some prices there. 2,800 baht per kilogram. And there's a couple with the occupants. I'm not sure, but I should imagine this is part of the menu. Walk around this side, I don't know how far I can get. Probably old boats they've purchased, not seaworthy anymore, because the sea is a couple of kilometers down there towards the sun. I hope all this is safe. I take it this is all fresh water here, so I can't see any fish. I can't see any fish in there. There's Kevin and Pook over there. Tina taking the photos. Right, Kevin and Pook, what do you think of this place then?
It's wonderful.
Beautiful.
First trip.
Simple little things like this, Dave. Okay, I thought they were just little boats, ornaments, but they're not. They're for people to set up and sell from.
Yeah, yeah.
Great idea. It just blends in.
There's
Really
there's
well.
lobsters in the tanks there.
I saw,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
They're all swimming around thinking,
Yeah.
where did Harry go?
Yeah.
He's been a long time. He's on someone's plate. He's been eaten.
2,800 baht per kilo.
Yeah?
That's what it says on the glass anyway. Right, I'm going to have a little walk around that side now just to
All right then, mate.
get the rest of it. Let's walk around the other side. I haven't seen anybody eating here as yet, but there's a lot of places you can sit down and have your food, but I don't know where you get the menu or anything, or which building does the cooking. Well, I'm quite impressed with this. You know, considering there's the road just there, look, and somebody's developed all this land here, and it really looks good. Yeah, these boats do look a bit rough, but they're only here for just the attraction. It's roasting today, absolutely roasting. But I think I might indulge in an ice cream after. I've seen an ice cream shop up there. I don't really feel like anything to eat at the moment. I'll just walk around this side so you've got a picture from all angles, or a video from all angles. And I think this is the end. It's quite a large area, really. Right, I think that's it for my main video. Well, Kevin's just been in the gents now. He's really impressed with the decor inside there. He said to me, "Have you seen this?" And I said, "Well, I'm not a frequent toilet reviewer, you know." Tina looking through the window of the gents. That's not nice, Tina. That's not very nice.
You can't see anything. Very nice toilet.
Well, Kevin's just been in the gents now. He's really impressed with the decor inside there. He said to me, "Have you seen this?" And I said, "Well, I'm not a frequent toilet reviewer, you know." Tina looking through the window of the gents. That's not nice, Tina. That's not very nice.
You can't see anything. Very nice toilet.
So I've just checked now, and the guy says it's been open about 5 months. So probably that's why not everything is fully open just yet. But we're going in for an ice cream now, and maybe a coffee.
Your English is very good. Where did you learn to speak English? You learn on YouTube? Yeah. Well done. Your accent's very good as well.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. What's your name?
Z.
Z.
Yeah.
Easy to remember. The last one in the alphabet.
So I'm just going to try this little ice cream shop. I've asked if I can use my camera inside, and there's a few customers, and I asked them as well, and they said no problem. But I won't poke it in people's faces. But nice little ice cream shop. Tina's ordering my ice cream as we speak. they don't do coffee here, so Kevin's gone to get a takeaway coffee from another shop. A couple of, I don't know, minutes walk away, and then he's going to bring his coffee down here and have ice cream and coffee. Okay, 1 minute, can I just get this? But they have all sorts of ice creams here, similar to Spencer. Tina's stealing my money. Okay.
Okay. There you start. Lovable.
Right, I think that's going to be it for this one for me.
What's that?
I think that's going to be it for this one for me.
Yeah, okay.
So, until the next one.
See you guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.